Hello everyone, welcome back. In today's video, we are going to learn how to add commas to large numbers. I'm having a large number here, and I'm assigning this number to my variable called large number. Let me call it x, for example, here. And when I want to print this number, generally, if I don't have this code, when I run this, we are going to see the number is, and here is my variable x, so the number is being printed out in the output, but it's a bit hard to read, as you see here. In order to add commas, we can use colon, then comma after the name of our variable in the braces. So when I run the code now, you see the readability of the number is improved very much, so we can basically read this number easily by adding these commas. But it's very easy to add these commas. We just need to type down colon and comma after the name of our variable in the braces. Then it is going to automatically consider it when printing the number. Thank you for watching.